Igbo people are very into money, okay? So they will do anything. They will impregnate women here so they can get hold of us to use our to use us for our scam, for their scam, for bank account and whatsoever. So they don't matter. It doesn't matter. All the money that they've been bringing, they're having, they will send it back to their people, to their Nigeria, to Nigeria. What the fuck? That is all because of money. So they don't give a fuck. They're very heartless when it comes to our kids. They only care about the kids that they have in Nigeria, not with us.
That's who they are.
Exactly.
Filipinos, let me tell you something. Igbos, when they know they want something, they will try hard to get it. Whatever things they want to plant, even the money is on the ground, they will try make sure they go there and find it.
Yes, you know that the thing is, even if they don't wash plate, as long as you have money, they will wash plate because of money. And one thing is that even if the woman is so old, oh my God, they will still go for that woman just to get what they want.
Hello guys, my name is Delphina. I'm very happy returning back to you. So this is a viral video of a Filipino lady warning Asian women not to have anything to do with Nigerian men, Igbo men specifically. Let's watch this video together and share our thoughts. Let's watch.
Igbo people are very into money, okay? So they will do anything. They will impregnate women here so they can get hold of us to use our to use us for our scam, for their scam, for bank account and whatsoever. So they don't matter. It doesn't matter. All the money that they've been bringing, they're having, they will send it back to their people, to their Nigeria, to Nigeria. What the fuck? That is all because of money. So they don't give a fuck. They're very heartless when it comes to our kids. They only care about the kids that they have in Nigeria, not with us.
That's who they are.
Exactly. Thank you very much. We are saying the same thing. Exactly.
Igbos, they hate the truth. When you tell them the truth, they will never listen to you. You can say anything here. They like themselves. They'll hate the truth.
They will always justify what they do. They will justify what they do while they keep bragging that they're the best. What the fuck, bro? You are just the best. From your own tribe, but not to some other people. You guys are using people just for your own sake.
Igbos, they will never accept the truth. As long as you're talking bad about them, they will never accept it.
Not all Igbos. Not all Igbos.
Filipinos, let me tell you something. Igbos, when they know they want something, they will try hard to get it. Whatever things they want to plant, even the money is on the ground, they will try make sure they go there and find it.
Yes, you know that the thing is, even if they don't wash plate, as long as you have money, they will wash plate because of money. And one thing is that even if the woman is so old, oh my God, they will still go for that woman just to get what they want.
I love this lady. I have to give you a gift. I have to give you a gift.
They're even going with an old woman here. They're going with an old woman. Imagine. They're marrying an old woman.
Filipino, listen, let me give you something.
Carry baby anymore.
That's a criminal.
His present
Thank God that the Philippines is
Why
knowing
you guys get Filipinos? Why you guys get them? Because you need something from them. Scammers.
Exactly. Thank you very much.
You guys
Thank you
are
very much.
smart.
Thank you very much.
They have their own wife at home. Come here, scam people.
Wait, stop the hate on Igbo. Go to your people and tell them to stop behaving normal. Tell them to be hardworking.
But you know,
Hating on Igbo.
Wait,
He can't help you.
wait now, mute now,
He can't
mute.
fucking help you, bro.
Mute now,
Very
mute.
bad acts. Like, you have bad mind.
Listen now, you mute.
And it's not helping you.
Let me finish.
He can't help you. Stop being bitter. Go down there and work.
Do you want me to talk?
And you are here being jealous of people that are hardworking.
You guys are criminals.
You're a very big fool. You don't know anything.
They know that.
Look at the fine lady. See the way they are angry
You're
with
sitting
people.
down
Instead of
there,
you showing your brothers.
calling people
Why
and
are
calling
you
people also.
dating? Why are you dating? Why are you dating them? You are scamming these women.
Instead of arguing, you should be having a meeting. Okay, here in the Philippines, you guys, Nigerians having a meeting in each state. In Abia State, right? In Orlu, Imo.
Yes.
Most of you are having meeting in this Philippines every first week of the month. Why don't you educate to the August in the Philippines? Why don't you educate your people? Why don't you educate your people to act accordingly, not to be just fucking up here? Because this is not your fucking country in the first place, okay? You cannot just oppress us women, especially Filipinos, and be impregnating women here and leave their kids here. Why don't you, instead of you coming up here and arguing with us, why don't you take that first step to change the narrative of the people to you guys?
Clara, let me tell you something, please. Listen to me. Clara, let me tell you something. Do you know what they do? Do you know what they do? They will tell you that your man is lazy. And what they are doing, they are selling powder. They are doing illegal things to make. They are scamming women. They will tell you your man is lazy. They are not hardworking. Your man that is going to work, doing legitimate work, making money, earning money every month. They will tell you your man is lazy. This bunch of criminals, not doing anything good for themselves. What they do is to scam women, selling drugs.
That is doing for Nigeria.
Let me finish. Selling drugs.
What is the good thing that is Tinubu doing for Nigeria? What has the president of Nigeria achieved as a brother?
Don't change it. We are talking about Filipino now. We are not talking about
changing
Nigeria.
anything. Tell us what Tinubu has achieved in Nigeria as a country.
We are talking about
Why are we where we are now today? Because of your brothers are ruling and they cannot do any change. And you are here calling out a whole tribe.
Listen. Is it the president that told you?
Your brother is sitting there doing nothing, turning up and down. You can't even make a change. A drug lord, you can't call him out and you're here calling out all the crime.
Is it the president that told you to go to Philippines to be committing crime there?
Yes. What are you talking about? Are he creating job opportunities?
Is it the president that told the Philippines they are tired of you?
Shut up. Let us
and you're here talking nonsense.
Criminals.
Isco, you're just a scum. You don't know what you're talking about.
Stop. Don't
change anything in Nigeria as a Yoruba.
You guys will leave your bad.
Tell me what change you guys have brought.
Stop defending wrong thing.
I'm not defending nothing.
Filipinos,
I'm working hard, I'm doing right thing, and I'm here as an Igbo person, you tell me I'm bad. Even when I'm doing the right thing,
you know fully where you are not. You know fully where you are not. Okay, let me ask you a question. How many people? Wait, let me ask you a question. How many people have you scammed? One or two? Be sincere. One or two or three or five?
I'm into business.
They keep saying they're into business. They're business-minded people, but at the end of the day, the business is a fucked up business. Market business. What the fuck? Legal business.
Fella, Igbo, the only business, when you ask them business, they will never tell you specific business.
We already know that when they say business, we Philippines, we already know. We Filipino women, we already know that. Oh my God. I do have actually a question regarding this. You know, I have a friends, a Nigerian man that is not an Igbo, but they do have, in the Philippines, they do have a legit work. Okay, do you understand that? Now, when it comes to Igbo people, they want the fast money. They want the fast money, big money as fast as that. And then they will start flexing. They will start, posting online with golds and chains, drinking in the club, cashing money and all that because of the pride. But I do have a Nigerian people here, who's in Yoruba, that they are actually working in a call center, working as how I work. But why is it with them? When it comes to them, they love money so much, and this is the thing. This is the cause of everything, because they have this full of pride and ego that they want to flex. And because of that, they want respect. They will demand respect from you because of that. You cannot demand respect from Filipinos because of that, bro.
Igbo life flash life. That's who they are.
I don't know you, but God will bless you for this truth.
That is
God will bless you for this truth that you said now.
Listen, let me tell you, West, I have Nigerian friends. Igbos like flash life. That's who they are.
That's why they don't want to work.
Anywhere they know money is, they will make sure they have that money. They went to Sierra Leone. They scam more than something billions in Sierra Leone. Bro, they ran away.
I know now. Even there was a time the Sierra Leone said they should go. Now I'm telling you now. The South Africa said they should leave their country.
South African too fear them. Ghanaian too beating around them. Everywhere in the world, Igbos, you guys need to change, man. You never hear Yoruba scam, this scam,
never.
Or Hausa, but everywhere in the screen we say Igbos. Why are you guys not ashamed? You guys need to change.
And they're calling themselves wise. They call themselves wise. Bro, you're not just not being wise, bro. Somebody in this comment section says they're wise and they're smart. What the fuck, bro? You cannot. Most of them are illiterate. Most of them, they don't go to school. They just have passports. They just have passports and they go to some travel. You guys are not traveling, bro. What the fuck?
You know them very
believe
well.
In God, because if they believe in God, they will not do such crimes like that. Igbos, they are not God-fearing people.
Never.
How can you be calling yourself wise that you cannot even spell, even in the fucking comment section, bro? So shut up, these comment people. These people that commenting here, they're wise. What the fuck are you wise from? You're illiterate. A lot of them are illiterate. They haven't even passed SS1. What the fuck?
You are saying the truth. That's who they are. Whenever you say the truth, whenever you say the truth to them, they will never accept it.
They will never. Cisco, hold on. See, what my advice to the Philippines, if I don't come across your line now, I will not know that you guys are kicking against what we are kicking. Trust me, I know what I'm talking. If you don't believe me, we have a live show as I'm talking to you now, what the same thing that you guys are preaching is the same thing we are preaching. We still have South African live show. The same thing you guys are preaching is the same thing they are preaching. We still have a live show, the Ghana show. The same thing you guys are talking about.
Can you invite us? Yeah,
Philippines. You guys need to be wise. Just be wise, you guys, because
please, there's one of my brother here, host. Please, there's one of my brother. I would like you to bring him up also. He has the same thing to say. They call him Menede. He has a mask in his face.
Say the truth here.
This video is very, very long, so I think I will just say something little to add up to it, because obviously this lady went through a lot in the hands of I believe it's not just one Nigerian. Maybe she tried 1, 2, 3, 4, who knows, maybe she have multiple experience with them. If not, having experience with just one person would not just make her to come out and say such a thing. You know, I feel her pain as a woman. I feel her pain. I really feel her pain. If this is how Igbo men are treating the Filipinos in Philippines, then they are not portraying good attitude, good habit about Nigerians out there, and which is very, very bad. So many Nigerians in the diaspora has done so many things in different countries that is really affecting Nigerians in the diaspora. Likewise, back home, we cannot even use our passport to travel again because of bad reputation. My advice for the good Nigerians in the diaspora and in Nigeria is to keep doing good, and let's all keep hoping for a better Nigeria. One day Nigeria is going to be great again, so help us God. Amen. This brings me to the end of my video. If you are watching from Facebook or TikTok, kindly follow this channel and like this video. And if you are watching from YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and also learn 1 or 2 things on this clip. I love you guys always. Bye.